Hello, JS1 student. Welcome to this class. This is your Igbo class. JS1 third term scheme of work. Today we'll be looking at family, which is ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ, which means family. So let me read. Ezinụlọ bụ ndị mmadụ sitere n'otu agbụrụ ma ọ bụ ụbara, ikwu na ibe bụ ndị metụtara ezinụlọ. E nwere ụdịdị ezinụlọ abụọ, ha bụ ezinụlọ mkpuke na ezinụlọ ụbara. Ezinụlọ mkpuke. Okay, in this, what I just read now, we just defined ezinụlọ, which is family, in Igbo language. If it is in English, we say that family is a group is made up of father, mother, and children. Father, mother, and children. That means they are related. Then we have two kinds or types of family, which is we have ezinụlọ mkpuke na ezinụlọ ụbara. Which is ezinụlọ mkpuke means in English nuclear family, while ezinụlọ ụbara means in English extended family. Now let's define what nuclear family is, which is ezinụlọ mkpuke. Nke a bụ naanị nne, nna na ụmụ ha mebere ya. Okay? Nuclear family, as you already know, is made up of father, mother, and the children. You can see it here. This is a typical example of nuclear family. See the father, see the mother, and see the children. So nuclear family, as you can see. And look at this one. Ezinụlọ ụbara, which is what you can call extended or polygamous family. You can see them there. The picture there. We have ezinụlọ mbasa, which is extended family. Ezinụlọ mbasa. Okay, this one is polygamous family. Ezinụlọ ụbara, polygamous family. And this one is ezinụlọ mbasa, extended family. Now, the people that make up extended family is nne, mother, nna, father, ụmụaka ha, the children, ụmụnna na ndị ọzọ, that is their relatives, and so many other people. N'ala Igbo, ọ bụ ezinụlọ ọbara pụtara ihe. So in the Igbo culture, what you sometimes in the olden days, but sometimes it doesn't happen now. The olden days, what you experience is polygamous family. That's what you'll be seeing. Okay, let's look at the next one, which is ndị mebere ezinụlọ na ọrụ ha. People that made up families and their duties. Ndị mebere ezinụlọ bụ nna, nne, ụmụaka na ikwu na ibe. Okay? The people that made up family are the father, the mother, the children, and their relative. Now let's look at the duty or the responsibility of the father, which is number one is, okay, ọ bụ ya bụ onye isi n'ezinụlọ. He is the leader of the family. Ọ bụ ya na-atọ ntọala n'ihe n'ihe ndị a. So he's the one that makes policy, that makes law, that lays foundation in all these things that I'm about to read now. Ịrụsị ọrụ ike. He works very hard to feed his family. Ikwu eziokwu. It is his duty to say the truth. Ịkwụba aka ọtọ. It is his duty to be clean, has a clean hands. That is to be righteous, not engage in nonsense. Irubere iwu obodo isi. It is his duty to obey the law that is guiding the state or the country or the community. Ịgbara agwa ọjọọ ọsọ. It is responsibility to run away from anything that is evil character. Run away from it. Now look at the mother. Nne. The duties of the mother is irubere di ya isi, to obey the husband. That is the duty of the mother. Irubere di ya isi. In Igbo land, very, very important. The mother must obey and submit totally to the husband. Ịkpa ezi agwa. She must behave well. Isi nri site ya nke ọma. She must know how to cook. Cook it very, very well. Very, very well. In fact, in Igbo land, if you want your husband to love you, you must develop a good cooking skill. So if you are Igbo woman or Igbo girl, go and learn how to cook very well. Then the next one is ịga ahịa zụta ihe oriri. It is her responsibility to go to the market and buy things. The husband will give the money. She will go to the market and buy things. Ịsa ụmụaka ahụ. She was the one to take care of the kids, the children, and give them make sure that they are neat and clean. Yeah, let's look at ụmụaka, that is the responsibility of the children. Number one is ịhụ na mmiri dị n'ụlọ. They fetch water as often as possible. 2, ịzacha ụlọ. They sweep the house. If you are a child and you are not sweeping your house, it's a crime. So learn to sweep your house. Learn to do home chores, house chores. Ịsụ akwa. They wash clothes. Irubere nne na nna isi. They obey their parents, the father and the mother. They obey them. Ịsọpụrụ ndị okenye. They obey their elders. Ịgara okenye ozi. They go for errand for their elders. Idobe iwu obodo. They obey the law of the land. Ịsọpụrụ omenala obodo. They obey the culture and tradition of the land. Ịsacha ama ekwuregwu. Okay? Ịsachasị ụzọ enwere n'obodo. It's their duty to clean and clear the community road. Let's look at ụmụnna, ndị ọgọ, ikwu na ibe. Ụmụnna means the relative. Ndị ọgọ means in-laws and relatives. Their duties. Ịchịkọta ndị ntorobịa na-akụziri ha omenala Igbo. It is our responsibility to gather the young men, the youths, and teach them the culture of Igbo land or the community. Iduzi ha n'ezi omume. Train them on how to live a good life. Ha na-enyekwa aka oge ụfọdụ ịkwụrụ ụmụaka ụgwọ akwụkwọ. Sometimes they help in paying the children's school fees. Now let's look at the uru ezinụlọ bara, the benefits or the advantages of family. Number one, ha na-echekwaba ụmụaka. They protect the family. Number 2, ha na-enye aka imepe obodo. They help in developing the community. Ha na-azụlite ụmụaka. They train the children. Ha na-akụzi ọtụtụ ihe. They teach the children so many things. Ha na-eme ka ịhụnanya banye ụba. That is, they make so that there will be love in the family. All right. Okay, in our next class we'll enter week 9. Look at these assignments. You can do it. Number 1, kedu means what? Kedu ndị ọ dịrị ilekọta ụmụaka? Whose responsibility it is to take care of the children? Or who in this context means whose responsibility is to take care of the children. Number 2, depụta uru atọ ezinụlọ bara. Write down any three importance or advantages of the family. Thank you very much. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe. Remember, we are an education agency. Thank you very much. Pursue knowledge. Knowledge is key and knowledge is power. Pursue it, get it, apply, and you'll succeed in life. Thank you.